All right, folks, next up to bat is the infamous slugger, Cheese Curd. Bottom of the ninth, bases loaded, 2 outs, and Goon Squad up 7-4. One can only hope that Cheese Curd can pull it out for the Toon Squad.
Strike one.
Woo! Let's go, Cheese Curd! That's my boy! Yeah!
Strike two.
Go ahead and call it in.
This here is a batter's eye. It's what our entire system is designed around. A batter's eye is a contrasting backdrop in direct line of sight of the batter, making a pitched ball much easier to see. This 25-foot by 30-foot net spans across 2 pre-existing poles and is secured to 7 horizontal cables using zip ties, as you can see here. Yep, this bad boy ain't going nowhere.
The backbone of the batter's eye system is the 4 tracks made of unistrut. Each track is made up of 3 pieces of unistrut, 2 at 10 feet and 1 at 6.5 feet, to give us our total net distance of 25 feet. On the back of each piece of unistrut are welded-on plates that receive a bolt, which then connects to our brackets, some made of C-channel, some made of angled iron, which then connect directly to the poles. This takes the trolleys from the horizontal tension subsystem and connects it to the poles, holding our netting in place.
On the back side of the system, we can get a better view of our horizontal tensioning system. This system is responsible for providing tension to these horizontal cables, which then connect to the net via these zip ties. The nice thing about the new system is that these zip ties never need to be snipped, as the whole system can drop out of the bottom of the unistrut that Matt just talked about. The horizontal tensioning system consists of this trolley that runs through the unistrut, which then connects to a toggle, and then finally to our cables. On the front side of the system, we can get a better view of our dropout pins. At the end of the season, when the team wants to store the netting for the winter, they can pull these pins, and the horizontal tension system alongside the trolleys will drop out of the unistrut and can be stowed away in a different location.
One crucial component to the success of our project is the use of pulleys. In order to achieve everything that we wanted with our project, we decided to engineer and manufacture our own custom pulley assemblies. We started by designing custom brackets that were CNC plasma cut, allow for the perfect alignment of our cables, and make sure our angles are always at 90 degrees. Inside of these brackets are sheaves with oil-impregnated bronze bushings that require no maintenance and have a very long life cycle. Inside of these bushings is a shoulder bolt with a very precise tolerance that allow for the perfect spin.
This is the workhorse of our system, a Badlands 1,500-pound electric winch. It is powered by a 120-volt AC source, which we take directly from the scoreboard, which is about 50 feet away. To mount the winch, we made custom plasma-cut brackets, which Matt welded with the diameter to fit perfectly to the poles. To control this winch, we have this lockbox here with the remote inside. The remote itself has 2 functions, up and down. When the netting is not in use, it is to be put away and locked so no one can get into it, and it is sealed watertight.
Okay, so you have your winch and your limit switch, which is wired through the winch remote. It's wired through the winch buttons such that when you press the up button, it will go all the way up, and then it will stop when the switch touches, or when the wiring touches the limit switch wire.
Play ball.
You good?
Yeah.
I love you!